today is really just about learning the basics of form building. It's not really about form assembly. It's about how you should construct your forms to be the best that they can be. So if you're here to learn, you're in the right place.
And some things that you keep in mind when building out your UX design is how easy are your forms to use? Are they relevant to your respondents? Are they on brand with your company? And most importantly, are they accessible? This is part of that really important thing of keeping it in line with what your customers already know of you. So if you use a very casual language with your customers, keep your language casual on your forms. If you use a formal tone and language with your customers, keep it a little bit more formal.